In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add plugin in Figma of icons. If you design interfaces in Figma, icon plugins are a fast, consistent way to pull in high-quality symbols without hunting around the web. I'll walk you through finding the right plugin, installing it, and using it to drop customizable icons directly into your canvas. Start in any Figma file, open the menu in the top left corner, then navigate to Plugins and choose Browse Plugins in Community. This opens the Figma community where you can discover tools created by other designers and developers. In the search bar, type terms like icons, icon library, or material icons. You'll see a wide range of options. Some of the most popular choices include material design icons, iconify, feather icons, and heroicons. Before you pick one, take a second to check ratings, number of installs, and how recently it was updated. Skimming the description is also helpful to see what styles are included, solid, outline, or duotone, and whether the icons are aligned to standard sizes such as 24 or 32 pixels. Choose a plugin that matches your project style and has good reviews. Click into the plugin you want and press install. That's it. The plugin is now added to your Figma account and will be available in both the desktop and browser versions of Figma. No restart required. To run it, return to your file, right-click anywhere on the canvas, hover over Plugins, and select the plugin by name. A panel or window will open with a search field and icon previews. If nothing appears, make sure you're clicking on an empty area of the canvas and not inside a text box or group. Use the search field to find what you need. Try simple keywords like home, user, search, or arrow. Results typically load instantly. Some plugins let you filter by style, size, or stroke weight, which is handy for keeping your set consistent. When you spot the right icon, click it. The icon will be inserted on your canvas as a vector, so it stays crisp at any size. Drag it where you want it and resize from the corners to maintain proportions. Because it's vector-based, you won't lose quality when scaling up or down. Customize the icon from the right sidebar. Change its color using fill to match your brand palette. If the icon uses strokes, you can adjust stroke weight to fit your typography and layout density. For reusable elements like navigation or action buttons, consider converting the icon to a component so you can keep one source of truth and update it across your designs. And that's all you need to add, insert, and customize icons in Figma using a plugin.